kind of the extra space.
I wonder what this replaced.
Yeah, don't figure it out. It's because you pressed down. Which I guess would have been 1R.
It says like the Android screen, I think, just like the new Capital One ones do.
Stopping at 3. Going up.
Justin just uploaded a video where like that wasn't working properly.
So this is the penthouse right here, but it's closed for the whole season. But this is the only elevator that goes up to the penthouse.
Okay, this one doesn't go to the mezzanine. Okay. Is your room on file?
Yeah, I'm on the top. There's another elevator.
Yeah, in the city.
Yeah. I mean, that was pretty much what my view was like when I did that my hotel in New York City back in 2022. Their door again.
Let's come over there. Tap our key.
Is it basement public or is it the service?
It has a fitness center down
Okay.
there.
We used to have capacity, please.
What's strange is behind you is another key card reader, but I think that's for the staff.
It's just wide, like
Very smooth, too.
New KONEs are so much better than the old ones.
When it opens up here, this is the fitness center on the right.
I don't want to.